Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your pricing strategy with ProfitWell, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ProfitWell account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features available. Next, access the pricing page from the menu. Review your current pricing strategy displayed on the screen. Identify areas where your pricing may need adjustment. Analyze the data provided, focusing on metrics like churn rate and customer lifetime value. Take note of competitor pricing for similar products. Begin formulating a revised pricing model based on your findings. Create different pricing tiers that cater to various customer segments. Consider incorporating value-based pricing to enhance offers. Use ProfitWell's analytics tools to assess the potential impact of your new pricing. Implement A/B testing to compare the performance of existing versus new pricing. Monitor key performance indicators closely during the testing phase. Gather feedback from customers regarding their pricing perceptions. Adjust your pricing strategy based on analytical insights and feedback received. Once you finalize your new pricing model, update it on the platform. Communicate pricing changes clearly to your existing customers. Finally, review the performance of your new pricing strategy regularly for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.